This is the intro video for the Young's modulus experiment. First, measure the length of the wire. That is, the wire from the top part here where it's being held at the top down to the middle of the black bar. When you have done this, you can also measure the diameter of the wire with the calipers at several places on the wire. You can review the video for how to use the calipers that we have produced earlier in the year. So the middle of the black bar will be in line with the middle of the screws. That's where you want to take your length, from here to the top of the apparatus. Once you have measured your length of wire and diameter, you can determine the cross-sectional area of the wire. After you have done so, you can then line up the bubble in the middle of the level. This will be your initial position. So you can rotate the dial until the bubble moves in the center of the two larger lines, like so. Now that the bubble is centered, I can take the reading here, and the reading here is 91 against this scale here. This means it is at 0.91 millimeter initial position. Once you put 100 grams of weight on the hanger, the bubble will shift. Wait 1 minute so that the apparatus settles, and then re-level the bubble, and you can now measure the new increment. If this were 1 minute, this would read 27 on the scale, but I have passed the 0, so this is 1.27 millimeters. Every time you go past the 0, make sure you increase your millimeter count by 1. That would be increasing again by 1. Once you have fully loaded the hanger with 1500 grams weighting each time a minute between each increment of mass, remove mass in increments of 500 grams as fast as you can, taking sure, of course, to get good measurements of your position, taking care again of how many times you go past the 0.